I would like to show you multiplexer blocks from select sublibrary from CAS Standard. So drag and drop MuxR. All of them are the same, they have just different data type for boolean, string, unsigned integer. That's it. And this block is extendable. It has up to 15, I think, 16 inputs, and it selects unsigned integer input, which says which channel should be open, and it connects the value of the channel to the output. So it looks like that. So in case that on the input is connected, for example, channel number whatever, 11. So on the output is value from channel which is connected to 11 or which is directly written on the block. So minus 15.3. In case I will connect number 7. Okay, different block. Of course, number 7. So number 7 is here, it's 0. Yes. Number 4. It is this channel, number 2, and that's it. This block is really useful because we can easily define different set point for different behavior and for different scenarios. So for example, for comfort mode of error handling unit, we can have one value, for example comfort, which is 25 can be, and for some other mode could be 18. So in case that we are in comfort mode, so the channel is 0, therefore the set point is 25. If we are in reduced temperature mode, so we open channel 1 and we have value 18. It's really nice case of graphical programming of case syntax in ST. And we have the same behavior for Mux unsigned integer, for example. So I can select different channels, 2, 4, and we change the value. It can be directly written on the block or it can be connected from set point on whatever else. And we have also multiplexers for booleans, for boolean values, or for string values that we can change different words or texts according to the selected channel. And that's it. It's pretty awesome, isn't it? Awesome.